Hello and thanks for joining. In this video tutorial, we're going to review the web-based platform from TradeZero. This is ZeroWeb. So there is a couple features that we're going to review. We're going to start by going over the charts, portfolio manager, level 2, how to link groups, the watch list, and the real-time newsfeed. So this is going to be a pretty exciting tutorial. Stay tuned. We're going to go over the features. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact a representative 24/7 at the web portal live chat. All right, so let's first start by reviewing the chart features. So just simply scroll over a chart. You can see that you have a data window that's going to show you the time, date, open, high, low, close, volume, and also the indicators. If you want to go to and change your indicators, just click on this icon right here, and you can see we have the simple moving average, exponential moving average, volume weighted average price, and then previous day's close. Simply change the period and I'll update the indicators, the moving averages here on the chart window. Also, you have the opportunity to select pre and post market data. Let's go ahead and select that. And then once this chart window updates, we're going to have the opportunity to review the pre and post market data. Now let's go to this taskbar here. We're going to zoom out, and again you can see here, let's for a better illustration, we're going to choose the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so now you can see that we have our pre-market data, and then you can see right here this was the bell at 9:30. Okay, and so again, if you don't want to see the pre or post market data, simply just uncheck this box here. Okay, so moving forward here, we'll go back to the 1-minute chart. All right, we'll go to the taskbar and we're going to zoom all the way in. Simply just drag that taskbar to the right. Now you can see here we have the 1-minute chart, and then we also have right here, this is the daily chart on SPCE. If we want to add an additional chart, we have the opportunity to add 4 charts to this platform. So simply go to chart, all right, and then type in any symbol. And just a quick note right here, if you want to link these charts, you have the opportunity to create groups. So once this chart updates here, we'll go ahead and show you here the icon here on the top right corner of the chart. So this one currently is set to no group. All right, so we have group A, B, C, D, and E. And so basically the idea is to set up different market depth windows with your chart. So if I want to link this right here, for example, to group B, okay, then I can link one of these market depth windows. So let's say, for instance, this one is not assigned to group. I can assign this one to group B. Okay, so now let's say if you don't want to have 3 chart windows, just go ahead and click the radial icon right here. All right, that's going to bring us back up to 2 chart windows. So that concludes the tutorial here on the charts. Moving over to the portfolio manager, you see we have 3 different fields here. So we have the open positions, we have closed positions, and then we have our active orders. So if you want to put an order on the books, okay, let's say for example we want to buy, let's see, 100 shares here of SPCE. We can click on a price field. So let's say this is $30. This stock's currently trading at $35. Just for illustration here, we'll go ahead and click buy. But before I do that, let me just show you here the order types. So we have the opportunity to send a market order. You have to have it selected on limit order if you want to click on a price field. So most traders will click on a price field and then they can just adjust the price here with the arrows. Using a limit order. Or you can use your arrow key. I think that works a bit better. All right, then we're going to just go ahead and click buy, and then we're going to get a confirmation window and just click confirm. And so now you can see we have that order, and also the orders requested. It says right here, your SPC order has been requested. Your limit buy order of 100 SPCE has been placed, and you can see that it's now on the active order window. So now we have 4 active orders. Again, we have 1 position, and this is just a general, gives you traders just a general idea of how this portfolio manager works. All right, moving over to the watch list. Okay, you can see that we have this gear icon right here. When we click on the gear icon, it's going to show you that it's going to show our saved watch lists. So created some watch lists here. Let's just select one. We're gonna go to hot stocks here and click load. All right, if you want to, let's say, remove one of these, let's say we'll just go ahead and delete Facebook and USO. We can add another symbol. For example, we can add QCOM. All right, it's going to add, you can see that new symbol right here is now added, QCOM. If we want to add, for example, Microsoft, we can add Microsoft. All right, and then once you have created your watch list, simply go back to the gear icon and then just click save. All right, so let's go back to stocks moving higher on volume, click load. And then if we want to, for example, if we want to change what's on the board here, so we have SPCE, let's say we want to go to one of these stocks here, just simply click on the symbol, and that's going to update the level 2 window, and in addition it's going to update our charts. Since we have this level 2 window grouped with the intraday and then daily chart here. So you can see this will update here in just a moment. All right, and we're back to our active orders. Okay, and then last but not least, let's go over the news feed here. So this is a news feed from Benzinga. It's real-time streaming news. You have the opportunity to select different keywords here. So we have FDA. We can just check out that, see what's going on. Let's see if there's no articles for FDA today. Let's check downgrades. All right, and if we click on one of these headlines here, it's going to bring up the web page. So this gives traders an opportunity to just kind of conduct some research. Again, it just gives you an idea of what analysts are saying about the stock. Again, you know, you have just a lot of different options here when taking a look at the news here. If you want to just type in a symbol, let's type in Apple, AAPL, and you can see the most current news from Benzinga. So again, this is a great platform for the active trader, or if you're an intermediate or beginner trader. This gives you the opportunity to trade through the web. Again, this is a web-based platform. And we're going to just, before we close this out, let's just take a quick look here at the settings. So you can see that we have hotkeys for Windows, we have hotkeys, all right, for orders, so you can create different orders, you can change the parameter of each order, and then we're going to review the hotkey execution in our next video. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please stay tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support via the web portal, just visit the TradeZero website, and you can speak with a representative 24/7 if you have any questions about the platform. Also, you have the opportunity to download the platform for a free 7-day trial. It's going to give you kind of a 15-minute delayed quote. However, you'll be able to test out the software and see if it's the platform for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining. We'll see you in the next one.